I have this Tata Tiago car and I have a big problem. What happened with me that I was using my car inverter in cigarette lighter, and after that there was some smoke over there, and after that I am trying to use my inflator in the cigarette lighter, and even I am trying to my mobile charger, but they are not working. So I found a solution. I gonna explain with you what happened with me. Just checked it out. When I put my key into the charger and it stopped working, so I thought, what should I do for my cigarette lighter charger? So I searched about a fuse box over here. I opened that fuse box from over here and found few fuse related details over here. This one is power console, socket console, and this one is power socket. So these are the fuse in your car, and I think this one is the power console one and this one is power socket. So I should replace this 15 watt, I think 15 watt or anything else, this fuse. So what we can do for that, I need fuse, that blue one with 15 written on that. So what I did for that, there is a solution. For right now there are spare fuses available into your car, but keep in mind, if you don't replace with new one again, you gonna lose your access anywhere in emergency. So what we can do, we have a, after opening the car, we have a box over here and we have to open this. For opening this, we have to use these clips, press like this and pull, and these over here, these two pins over here, press and pull up, and these are the fuse box over here, and these are so much dirty. So I turned this fuse box like this and found spare, sorry, spare mini fuse boxes, fuses are over here. So these are the spare fuse. I pull 15, I pull 15 watt, 15 watt, 15 watt from over here and replaced that fuse, sorry, that fuse replaced with this one, sorry, this one. And after that, when I ignition, my charger starts working. Voila, that's it. You can do this too. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friend. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Subscribe for more.